Today I'm going to show you how to build a 1024 LED matrix using four 16 by 16 matrix boards. It's a 16 by 16. It's 256 LEDs all combined. Okay. We're going to put four of them in a series parallel setup. So I'm going to lay these boards out here in the configuration. Doesn't really matter which way you do it as long as you do all of them in the same configuration. So 2 per channel, one on channel 16 and one on channel 2. And that'll obviously differ depending on your board. So I'm going to join the two LED matrices together, giving me 512 LEDs per channel. And connect them all up. Now, if you haven't set your limiter yet, I wouldn't connect them just yet. Otherwise, you can connect them. And if you have set up your limiter, you can plug it in now. To get things started, go into Config, LED Preferences. Over here, you can see with 30 LEDs, you only need a very small power supply. I've got mine set at 5,000 milliamps because I've got a 10,000 milliamp power supply, but I just want to show you don't need that much power to run these amount of LEDs. Alright, so we go down and we select how many LEDs. So I've got 2 times 16 by 16, so combined that'll equal 512 LEDs. And then we need to open up another channel or another output, and we are using GPIO pin 2, oh sorry, not there, 2, and the length is also 512. Okay, so that's everything set up here, and we go save. And oh, you can see here for this much they recommend 57 amps. They say 19 is enough, but you'll see we can do it with 5,000. Okay, now save. Now you can see all the LEDs have come alive on the matrices, and you have a full big screen. Okay, but that doesn't give you all the functionality you need. Now we need to go to 2D configuration. We go over here, we go to matrix. So the way I've set up my matrix, I've got it coming in top and right, and this is going to be consistent amongst most of these panels. It is horizontal, yes, and you have to press this serpentine. Sometimes you have to press it, sometimes you don't. Then it's not 16 by 16 times 2, so it's 16 by 32. Because it's the two boards connected together. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Although it's two boards, that's what it'll look like combined. And then we go 2 times boards, and we do exactly the same. Top right, horizontal, serpentine. We go 16 by 32. Okay, and we press save. I'm going to go back and I'm going to do a quick test. Okay, what have we got wrong here? Alright, so you can see the one matrix is working and the other is not. I'm going to just show you LED preferences, back to the config. We have 2 panels. Now why that's happening is because they both overlaid over each other. Okay, so the way to do that is we go over here and we offset the second panel by 16. Okay, and then you can see you have 2 panels next to each other. And I press save. You can see it goes back to yellow. I go back, and now we press, and we have the full use of the matrix and all the wonderful effects. So you can see over here Any effect that has this little grid system is specifically designed for matrix. Here we go. All of these ones over here. And if you want to look at only those, you can press down at the bottom and these will all come up. I'm going to play out with all the matrix design effects in a row. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.